Carbon monoxide is a tasteless, odorless, and colorless gas that is harmful to humans in high concentration. Do you think it's safe to leave a child in a closed garage with a vehicle on idle? It takes less than 5 minutes for carbon monoxide poisoning to occur. Do not leave a vehicle on idle in an enclosed structure or closed garage. And most importantly, do not leave a child unattended in that vehicle.